Hi and welcome to Preschool Genius. In this video, we will learn about one of the most playful, friendly, and cute animals many people love. Yes! Are you ready? Let's start with some cool facts about pigs. Pigs are animals that can live on farms and in nature. They have round, chubby bodies with short legs, small eyes, and a curly tail. Pigs come in different colors, such as pink, brown, black, and sometimes even spotted. One of the special things about pigs is their snout, which is their nose. Their snout helps them find food by sniffing around. Pigs also can smell really well and use their noses to dig in the dirt to find yummy things to eat, like roots and bugs. Here's a fun fact. Pigs, in their natural state, are one of the cleanest animals in the world. They practice important hygiene habits like keeping their toilets far away from their eating and living spaces. And they've even been known to beautify their living space, decorating it with flowers. The fact that they know to keep their living and defecating areas separate also shows a high level of intelligence. Pigs don't simply want to be clean, they know that being clean will keep them healthy. One of the fun things about pigs is that they love to roll in the mud. This is why many people think pigs are dirty animals, but they roll in the mud to stay cool because they can't sweat like humans. The mud also protects their skin from the hot sun and keeps away pesky bugs. Even though they like mud, pigs are actually clean animals and will keep their living areas tidy if they have enough space. Pigs are very smart animals. Some people think they are as smart as dogs, and they can learn to do tricks, remember things, and even solve puzzles. Farmers often find that pigs know when it's time to eat and can recognize the voices of the people who take care of them. Multiple studies have showcased that pigs can remember and retain information for many years. Pigs also like to play and explore, which shows how clever they are. Baby pigs are called piglets, and they are very cute. Piglets stay close to their mothers, who are called sows, and drink their mother's milk until they are old enough to eat regular food. A sow can have many piglets at one time, and the piglets love to play together and make little grunting sounds when they are happy. Pigs are social animals, which means they like to be with other pigs. They live in groups, and they communicate with each other by making sounds like grunts and squeals. Pigs feel happier when they are around other pigs because they like company and enjoy playing, eating, and sleeping together. When pigs eat, they aren't very picky. They enjoy a wide variety of food like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Farmers feed pigs healthy food to help them grow strong and healthy. Pigs also use their snouts to dig in the dirt and find tasty roots and bugs to eat. What a cute animal! Pigs are also very important animals on farms because they help provide food for people. Farmers raise pigs for pork, which is used to make foods like bacon, ham, and sausage. Farmers take good care of their pigs, making sure they have enough food, water, and space to move around. Some people even keep pigs as pets. Pigs that live as pets can be very friendly and love attention. These pet pigs can learn to follow command, just like a dog, and they enjoy being petted and spending time with their owners. Pigs make wonderful pets because they are curious, smart, and loving. Even in many places, pigs are seen as special animals. Some people even think of pigs as symbols of good luck. Pigs can be found in stories, books, and even cartoons that children love. So, pigs are amazing animals. They are smart, friendly, and helpful to people. Whether they live on a farm or in a home as a pet, pigs bring joy and play an important role in the world. They are more than just farm animals, they are special creatures that we can learn a lot from. That's it. I hope you enjoyed learning about pig with me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.